I bought this 12-inch DEWALT 20-volt chainsaw. So this works with your standard 20-volt batteries for the DEWALT. Let's see how well this thing does. All right, and this is what you're going to get in the box. Starting from the left to the right, you got a 5 amp hour battery, you got the user manual, you got the chainsaw itself with a protective chain cover, and you've got the battery charger. This is a toolless chainsaw, so you should be able to tighten the chain, replace the chain, pull the bar, all of that without having to use an extra tool. Basically, all the tools to do that are built into the chainsaw. So let's get this thing working so I can test it out. All right, so I've got the battery put in. It's now fully charged, and I've got it full of bar oil. So now I'm going to chop up these broken branches. We had a winter storm and lost a lot of branches in this ice. I've got this to chop up, quite a few larger pieces, and then, well, a lot of neighbors that need some help. So let's get to it and see how well this thing works. All right, so that chainsaw did pretty quick work of all of the branches we had out here in the front yard. Did pretty good cutting on the tree, got it all cleared up, and on one battery, no doubt. All right, and if you want to hear what the chainsaw sounds like, cuts really well. You can just practically lay it on the log and it cuts by itself, but let's go ahead and hear this cut. It would actually cut a lot faster than that, but I just had one hand. But man, this thing is really working hard and doing great. So yeah, we did a lot of cutting with this chainsaw. I am actually still on my first battery. I haven't had to switch out batteries yet, and I've cut down quite a bit. We've cut up all of this in this dump trailer, everything on the ground, and this battery and this chainsaw is still going strong. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.